Good morning, friends. So today we will talk about if the list is started or not in a simpler way and most efficient one. So today we will, this is the previously implemented program. So we will take the 5 numbers. What is the logic behind that program? First we are going to compare in the all the 5 element part. Uh, First we take 1 and 2. Once comparison of 1 and 2 completed, then it will take the 2, 3, 4, 5, eliminate in 1. Then we are going to compare 2 and 3. Then we are going to compare 3 and 4, and finally we are going to compare 4 and 5. This is the main logic of that program. So before that we need to implement how to write that logic. First I want the index first. Index is really important. So HI single index. So first we need to know the length of the number. Length of the number is L equal to length of A. Once we know the length of the number, we need to write the if statement. If statement means if A equal to what we need to find here. Sorry, this is not a okay. HI equal to L minus 1 or HI equal to L. So what is the L minus 1 here? This is the L, 5 the last element of the input, then this is the 5, and L minus 1, this is 4. Once it complete the execution of the program and reaches the end of the program, it needs to return the output. So we cannot we will not get a recursion error here, like a recursion depth error. So we need to return true here. Okay, and another statement, if A of I is greater than A of HI, sorry, single index is greater than A of HI plus 1. So A of HI, this is suppose this is A of HI and this is A of HI plus 1. So we compare those two numbers. If A of I is greater than A of HI plus 1, then it would return false. So we are going to return false. Okay, and finally we need to implement one more for the recursion. Better imply equal to what we need to do is better of A comma HI plus 1. Then we need to return the HI plus 1. Then we need to return the function. Return better. Okay, we can even please, we can, for our understanding purpose, we can type it sorted. Okay, so we have implemented the basic algorithm, and then we need to type A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need not need to forget bracket. and is started of a. It started of a comma 0 because we defined a single index also. So first we are going to run this program. So we got an error here. What is an error? Return fault. Okay, indentation problem. Okay, again I'm going to run this program, and this program also I'm going to run. We got an error here also. It started. What is an error here? Of a comma 0. Name better is not defined because yes, I changed name, right? So we need to restart the runtime. Yeah, everyone we follow this procedure because a comma hi. Some people some programmer tend to, junior programmer tend to type L instead of hi. What is the definition for that? Even I was really confused what to put that variable name. So we need to more careful about that. So we have implemented. Again, better is not very better. Okay, is started. Okay, done. This time no error is. Okay, it's returning true. And if I type 40, it should return false. So implementation perspective is done. So I am going to explain what is this side of the command and what does it do. So I am going to type here. This is chess.io website. So I am going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the implementation. I am going to type a pencil side. This is the list which we are going to add as a input. First we are taking 1 and 2. Once a of I, this is the a of I, and this is a of I plus 1. First we are taking this as an index. Okay, once this is completed, then we can draw a line here. We can forget this one. Successfully implemented because 2 is greater than 1. So we can remove this one. So again we are going to compare 2 and 3. So we have two numbers, 2 and 3. If a of si means index is greater than index plus 1, it should return false. Why we are implementing this? Where we are going to draw the line, that is the main purpose of this logic. So once we are implemented this one, we can forget this, and we are going to take 4, 3 and 4, and we can draw a line here. This is of h of a comma h of I, hi plus 1. So once we have also completed this execution, so we reach the final statement because if hi equal to L minus 1, then L is length is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4, or hi equal to L, or hi equal to 5. We don't need that, but L minus 1 is 4. Okay, we have executed that one. Let me explain separately for this. Don't type this 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second execution formula. And one more thing, 3, 4, 5, and final 4, 5. I haven't used this command. Okay. Where can I move this? Okay, 4, 5. So okay, done. Then once one can be covered, then 2 and 3 need to be executed. 2 and 3 here. 1, 2 and 3 is executed. We can draw a line here. 3 and 4. We are going to compare 3 and 4. Then we are going to draw a line here. One condition satisfied. Then 4 and 5. Last final point, L minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the logic is correct. So it will return true, and after this command it will return true, and after this command it will return true, and it will return the output. True is the output. So we are getting the true as an output. In case of false, what if I defined here is from 140. So in that statement itself it will return false, and false, then false. This is the logic of the program. So if you have any doubt, feel free to add in comment itself. Thank you.